To learn English, subscribe Grand Learning School. Daily use English words with meaning. Pride, pride, a feeling of pleasure and satisfaction. A feeling of pleasure and satisfaction. She felt a great sense of pride as she watched him accept the award. She felt a great sense of pride as she watched him accept the award. Death, death, the end of life, the end of life. We are so sad in her death. We are so sad in her death. Birth, birth, the times when a baby comes out of its mother's body. His birth time was in winter. His birth time was in winter. Popular, popular. Supported by many people, supported by many people. She is the most popular teacher in our school. She is the most popular teacher in our school. Childhood, childhood, childhood. The time when someone is child. The time when someone is child. Childhood is a happy time in our lives. Childhood is a happy time in our lives. Invest, invest. Put money into something to make profit. Put money into something to make profit. If you are benefited, please like the video, and to learn English regularly, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of every video. Let's start. Invest. The institute will invest $5 million in the project. The institute will invest $5 million in the project. Want, want. To wish for a particular things. To wish for a particular things. I want some chocolates. I want some chocolates. Hobby, hobby. An activity that someone does for pleasure when they are not working. An activity that someone does for pleasure when they are not working. Ruby's hobby is to collect old coin. Ruby's hobby is to collect old coin. Listen, listen. To give attention to someone or something in order to hear him. To give attention to someone or something in order to hear him. What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to? Talk, talk. To speak to someone, to speak to someone. My little girl has just started to talk. My little girl has just started to talk. Behavior, behavior. The way that someone behaves, the way that someone behaves. His behavior is really wonderful. His behavior is really wonderful. praise, to express admiration or approval of achievement, to express admiration or approval of achievement. He should be praised for his honesty. He should be praised for his honesty. Start, start, to begin doing something, to begin doing something. When will your job be started? When will your job be started? Show, show, to make it possible for something to be seen, to make it possible for something to be seen. On this map, the urban areas are shown in gray. On this map, the urban areas are shown in gray. Fast, fast, moving or happening quickly, moving or happening quickly. I tried to catch him, but he was too fast than me. I tried to catch him, but he was too fast than me. Travel, travel, to make a journey, to make a journey. I like to travel in winter season. I like to travel in winter season. Fire, fire, the state of burning that produces flame, the state of burning that produces flame. 30 people helped to put out the fire. 30 people helped to put out the fire. Pass, pass, to move or go beside a pit, to move or go beside a pit. If you pass the supermarket, could you get me some food? If you pass the supermarket, could you get me some food? If you pass the supermarket, could you get me some food? If you pass the supermarket, could you get me some food? If you are benefited, please like and subscribe Grand Learning School. Press the bell icon to get more video for learning English. Thanks for watching.